I am at Silver Creek Conservation Area. I'm about an hour and 10 minutes late for my first meetup. I joined this group called Meetup, and it's really cool. There's a couple of really big hiking groups down in Toronto. Midtown Raviners, I think, is one of them, and it's a group of people that get together and they plan hiking trips. It doesn't have to be hiking trips, it could be anything, but they plan meetups, and I decided to create my own group. Nixon's just taken off after something, so I gotta go. It's a little icy in here. Oh, he's coming back. There's supposed to be a couple of waterfalls in here, so if I can find them. But yeah, I was talking about this meetup group, and I'm an hour late, but I'm the only one that agreed to show up today anyways. But I saw that the weather was supposed to be mainly cloudy today, and I figured there wasn't going to be much of a sunrise. And I was right, there's not much of a sunrise, but orange leaves, that's a pretty scene. You can hear the creek in the background. So again, this is Silver Creek Conservation Area, and it is part of the Bruce Trail. It's quite nice in here. A few boardwalks, bridges. And it is part of the Bruce Trail. They must have had a lot of blowdowns. There's trees everywhere. Somebody's done a good job of cutting them all up. Really nice spot. I think the trail goes that way. You know what? There's got to be a waterfall up there because it looks like the escarpment goes that way. But yeah, I don't even know what creek this is. Huh. I'm doing the Michael Jackson thing. I don't even know where my other glove is. But yeah, this is a cool little spot on the Bruce Trail in Silver Creek Conservation Area. Just the sound of the water is comforting. It's just tranquil, calming. Okay, it's playtime. Have some sunshine, but there's still a little bit of sun. It's a really nice spot. So Silver Creek Conservation Area, Bruce Trail. Who says you can't have fun in winter?